This tutorial, I will show you exactly how to utilize the YouTube SEO to rank videos on top of YouTube for hundred of what keywords. YouTube SEO
future here. So if I go to Google and type the word browse future right here, it's going to load. So what is browse feature and how do I get it? Browse feature are what people see when browsing. These are videos you see on main page and videos you see on the right hand. That
SEO or YouTube videos to break down the competition and appear on top of the YouTube search result. Today, I'll show you how I do this step by step and how you can follow the same procedure to grow your YouTube channel. Note, these are my personal experience and I'll be showing you how to do this step by step. So stay with me as I show you on my screen how I do this and how I was able to rank on top of search when it comes to YouTube channels as a small YouTube channel with less than what 1,000 subscribers. Let's get into this.
in the last 28 days, I was able to pull up a certain number of views on my new YouTube channel, as you can see. And if you go to analysis and go to content, you realize that what my search results came from browse future and YouTube search suggested video, external and YouTube other YouTube futures. Now, how was I able to get the browse future? What is the browse future? What is the meaning of browse? And if you scroll down here, you see what are YouTube browse futures. Browse future mean traffic drive from home page, subscription feed, watch later, trending, and exploring section of YouTube. So you can see how I was able to get the browse future. Going back here, the next one is called YouTube search, which we always know for what? One thing. When you search something on YouTube, that is what you get. Okay, when you search something on YouTube and it's pop up, search YouTube, try searching and get started. Anything you search on YouTube, you can purely get it. For example, if I go to YouTube right now and type what and type top, okay, I recently uploaded a video on this channel, so let me type that result, top 9. Okay, let's go into it. Top 9 YouTube channel ideas that will make you millions in 2024. Now, if you come this and you search this title, if you search this title, you'll realize that this video, top 9 YouTube channel ideas that can make you millions in 2024, was uploaded 9 days ago and what? 62 view, and it was ranking at the top. 9 YouTube channel ideas that can make you more than your job. This channel uploaded the same video in what 1 year ago and what with 258,000 subscribers. Another one here with 303 million, 3.3 million subscribers, and another one here with, you can see that there are a lot of people who posted the same video, but how was my own ranking at the top? You can see this video is coming from my channel where you are actually watching this video, and then you'll be asking how was I able to achieve that on as a new YouTuber. That is what I'm going to be teaching you in this video. Okay, that's what I'm going to be teaching you in this video. So if you go to the external traffic, we have Google search, that is where I'm getting it from, and WhatsApp, Google Go, WhatsApp business, and all of that. You go to YouTube search, You can see these are contents that people are searching, and it is available on my YouTube channel. Suggested video, these are videos that are suggesting to my YouTube channel as well. Now let's get right into business. All right, to rank your video on top of any search, these are things you first of all need to consider. Once you're on your YouTube studio, first thing first, go to setting. So when you are on setting here, make sure you go to channel and select your country of residence. It is very, very important. I'm from Ghana, so let me do that quickly. Then we go back to the main business. So Ghana here, select and saved. That is the only thing you need to do here. Now, what are the contents that I'm going to be posting in this video? What are the contents that I'm going to be posting in this particular video? The content is about how to rank your video on top of search. So now I only need to go to YouTube and type how to rank your video on top of search. YouTube SEO, how to rank how I ranked #1 on YouTube search. So this guy created this video and it is ranking. So now the only thing we need to do here is to click on his video.
So this company recently announced that
Now we just go here. First thing first, let's check his or her SEO score, and I'll be using a tool called TubeBuddy to do that. It's called TubeBuddy. That is the tools that I'm going to be using to check this. The SEO score is what? 80. It has 80 SEO score. Tags in description 20/20, tags in character, tags in word. The only place that he lost was in what? Tags in title and description. He earned 10 out of 100, out of 20. Now we only need to calm down. Now, how do we steal from this guy? How was his video ranked at the top? His video was ranked at the top just with this traffic source. This is the SEO in his video. Now in this video SEO guide, I review how to rank all the videos on #1. This is step-by-step tutorial that anyone can follow and get more views on YouTube by leveraging on YouTube SEO traffic. So he's also make mention of what? The sources, 3 steps to rank your video at top, and this and that. The tools that he used, my complete keywords video research tool. Here you can watch the video, follow him on Instagram, this and that, edited by and also these are the keywords that he used. And you can also copy, you can just click on copy and copy all his tags and used in your video as well. Now we are going to be generating something new or something very, very catchy. Same apply to his own, so that we can also rank on top of his video. Okay, we wanted to take the first position from him, right? We wanted to take the first position from him. So the first thing we are going to be doing is to open our notes right here. So we open it, and then let's keep the note aside. Open your notes or whatever you are using. Let's get back to business. All right, these are the things that we are going to be doing. Now go to here. Now we first of all need to copy. This is SEO type. You copy this. Then secondly, go to this website called Rapid Tags. As you can see, I've been using it, so it's already here. So once you get to the Rapid Tags, click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to bring you to this particular place. Now his video is ranking at the top, so we don't want to use his same title to rank. Our video will be having different title from this. So copy his title. We'll be using his title as tag in our video. Paste it right here and then click on search. Now you see these are tags that pop up. So now let's go to his tags. We now see YouTube keyword search research, YouTube keyword research 2. Now if you come here, you see how to rank YouTube video, YouTube SEO, YouTube SEO tips, YouTube keyword research. You can see the same thing that we saw here was in stack. That was the first one. You come back here, you will see a lot of things like that, YouTube keyword, and you can see you have similar tags to its own. So now that we have similar tags, this is what we are about to do. You first thing first need to copy his tags, and instead of you putting it at the tag section, no, you now need to put it in your video description here. Maybe you can choose to put your own here after the rapid tags, or I cannot tie. You can choose to put it right in front of anything normally here. That is how, first thing first, you make sure you replicate the same settings that it does over here. And when you add this to it, this is going to be different from whatever he or she has posted. So this is going to place you on top of first one. Now the second website you are going to be used to rank on top is called keyword 2, or you can call it keyword 2, yes, or keyword planner. All of them are going to pop up. Now click on this and it's going to take you to a website like this. Copy his title, just do with the first person that was ranking. Okay, deal with the first person that was ranking and make sure you take the position from him. Now you must be thinking, once you do this, somebody is also coming to do this to you. So I'll be showing you something different at the end of the video. Okay. At the end of the video, now once you search it, we now have 4 tags which are not relevant to whatever we are searching. And even if you see the trend, it is nobody is really searching for this because it's 2023 and we cannot use it, so we leave it here. We just copy this, make sure you copy it and add it to your description, and that is what is going to pop you rank your video on top. So this is what I'll be doing. I will be uploading the same video, and when I'm uploading it, I will really screen record everything and still upload on the channel to see how it really works, and that will give you the benefit of how these things really works. If you learn something new from this, kindly share this video with a friend and also write your comments. Let me know what you want me to teach you more when it comes to YouTube SEO and all of that. See you guys in the next video.